Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Swastik, and in this video I'm going to show you a process in which you can download anything from Spotify for completely free. You can actually download any song, you can download any playlist, you can download any genre of music, you can download a particular playlist which is sung by a particular artist, and that is completely all for free. So without any delay, let's get started. So this video actually consists of writing some codes on your terminals, and disclaimer, I'm going to write all these codes in a virtual machine and I'm going to use Ubuntu for that, Ubuntu on VMware. So this is the answer to the question why. So you can always run these commands on your host operating system. In my case, that is going to be Windows. Just keep it in mind, these codes actually include sudo commands. I'll show you in a second. Sudo is another name for root. You can actually gain super user rights on your system after using sudo. And if you want to carry the same process on Windows, you will need to modify the environment variables. So if you personally don't have any idea regarding what I'm talking about, all these sudo commands and all these environment variable things, so I will personally recommend you to first try it on a virtual machine, because if anything goes wrong at any point of time, you can actually reset your virtual machine with a matter of few clicks, but that is not going to be very easy for you if you are on your host operating system. And if anything goes wrong there, you might need to format your operating system and your computer, and that is not very convenient at times. So my college laptop actually came with Ubuntu on VMware pre-installed. So if any of my classmates are watching this video, it is going to be very easy for you to follow through. And if you are watching this video, just remember to put a hi in the comment section given below. Let's get started. So hey everyone, welcome. So this is my Linux desktop. So let me go to the terminal and then type sudo, and as you can see, if you get this kind of output on the terminal, that means sudo is properly installed. And then let's install snap. Just type sudo snap. It will ask for password. Just type in the password and hit enter. So when you type in the password in the terminal in Ubuntu, your password will not appear. So don't be scared. It is nothing to worry about. It is just an extra layer of security provided by Ubuntu. Just type in whatever your password is and hit enter. Okay, so the very important next step is to upgrade the sudo package. So to do that, just type sudo apt update, and it should fetch some data from the internet, and after a couple of seconds it should be done. As you can see, the green letters appears on the terminal. This indicates that the work is done. The next thing is to install pip. So to do that, just type on your terminal sudo apt install python3/pip and hit enter. Now this process might take a little bit more time, as it is going to download some Python 3 package on your system, and don't hurry it up. It will take its own time and it will be completed. As you can see, it is done. The green letter appears on the screen. That indicates that the work is done. The next thing is, you can actually check whether pip is successfully installed. So just type pip on your terminal, and if all these options appears on your screen, that actually tells you that the work is done and it's actually completed successfully. Okay, you can also check the version of pip installed for a further confirmation. Just type pip /version, and as you can see, Python 3.8 is being shown here. So that means Python 3 pip has been successfully installed on my system. Let me clear my screen. And the next very important step is, the main step rather, is to install spotdl. To do that, just type pip install spotdl and hit enter. It is a very small step and it is not going to take a lot of time. As you can see, it's done. The green color thing appears on the screen and it indicates that the work is done. So you have successfully installed spotdl on your system, and now you are good to go. So you can check that whether spotdl is properly installed on your PC. Just type spotdl on the terminal and hit enter. And after that, if you get the following things as output on your terminal, that means that you have successfully installed spotdl. Congratulations. So when I ran this code for the first time, I got an error regarding a launchpad library, and it told me that some test resources file was not installed. So if you find the same problem, I'll be putting a line of code in the screen over here. Just type in that code in your terminal and hit enter. And if you can't copy the code from here, just do remember that all these codes will always be in the description box given below, so that you can refer to them whenever you need. So I will also be linking some very important articles down in the description box given below, from where I took help when I did it for the first time, so that you can also refer to them whenever you need. And yeah, that's going to be helpful for you. So now I'm going to download a song. So let me go to my browser, and now let me minimize my terminal. So go to your browser and go to Spotify, and then search for a song. So let me go to the search button. Now let me download this Hold On song. Click on the song, and you can actually check the playback. Just click on the play button, and you can actually check whether it's playing or not. It's not mandatory. So now let me pause the playback. Now you will need to go to the URL of the page, and you will need to select the URL and press Ctrl C, or just right click and copy. Then go back to the terminal. Let me maximize it, and then type spotdl and paste the URL over there and hit enter. So as you can see, my program has started, and it is fetching the metadata of the song. And as you can see, it found a YouTube URL link, and yeah, it's going to take a couple of minutes. And as you can see, download has started. And as you can see, download has started and download has completed, and it's done. As you can see, it's done. And you can actually go to your file manager, and there under the home section you will find your song. That is, as you can see, Hold On. I've got it over here. Okay, so now I'm going to download a complete playlist over here. Now let's go to my Spotify page, back to my Spotify page. And as you can see, I was listening to this All Out 90s playlist, and it actually has a lot of good songs. And I'm going to download this complete playlist. It actually consists of 150 songs. So just let me copy the URL of the page. I just copy it and then come back to the terminal and type spotdl and then give a space and enter the URL and press enter. So as you can see, the downloader has already started. The download process had already begun. And as you can see, it has found the YouTube URL link for the first song. So as you can see, I have actually come forward in time and it has actually fetched all the metadata of the songs over here, and the download process had already begun. And as you can see, the green bars and the red bars are all actually looks very good over here. And this is the process by which it downloads. And yeah, it's amazing. And I'm actually fast forwarding the process over here so that you can enjoy a bit. Okay, so as I previously mentioned, the downloading process is very straightforward. You just need to have the URL link of the page. Just copy the URL link of the page, come to your terminal, type spotdl, give a space, and then paste the link over there and hit enter. The song will be downloaded. If you want, you can download a particular song from here. If you want, you can download a playlist. If you want, you can download songs, all of the songs from a particular genre. You can even select a particular artist and then download all of his or her songs at once. So as you can see, all of my songs have been downloaded, 147 in total. I've selected all of them, and these all are available in the home section of my files app. And yeah, you can go to your home section and fetch all of your songs from there. So that is it for today's video. If you like it, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Currently, my subscriber count is stuck at 52. So I have currently 52 subscribers while I made this video. And yeah, that is not a lot. So help my channel grow by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon too. If you have any suggestions, put them in the comment section given below. You can also reach me directly on Instagram and Twitter, link in the description box given below. And I reply to each and every DM you do to me. And so yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.